What the Scooby-Doo toilet?
Oh, wait for me, this is something she can do.
Now, one red.
But her mom told her, look, it's not that type of ball. It's not like shut look up down your throat type of ball.
I don't know.
Take a piece of whatever you want.
Yay, I win!
It feels that way.
The flavor was still there.
Which one am I playing first?
I'm gonna turn. Go again! Gotta hit turn on what the I monster.
The song is
My name works. It is worth 1.5 million. Try my monster. That's me. Now let's try a nickname. Sometimes I go by. See how much that nickname is going. Name.
Got CJ.
What is Evie? EBI.
We have a person in conflict. I'm going to stop the what happened.